Welcome to Netiquette Next. Welcome back to the Canva series. Today we are going to design a social media piece. In the recent video I have shown and shared tips to use the Canva, and I have introduced its interface. Today we are going to discover how to design the template for the social media posts. Here are the different posts of different social media platforms. These are the popular templates Canva is providing us. Here are the Instagram post, for example, Instagram post, stories, ads, reels, and animated Instagram post and Instagram story ads. All these are the different designed templates provided by Canva. Same goes for the Facebook, and we have a lot much more in the Facebook designs. Facebook post landscape, Facebook cover, Facebook ad, event cover, videos, stories, app ad, shop ads, shop covers, Facebook covers, and shops logo. All these are in the category of Facebook. Likewise for the LinkedIn background photos, LinkedIn posts, LinkedIn single image ad, LinkedIn ad, video ads. If we are going to design or edit any of the post, for example, we take a Facebook post to edit. We pick this one, for example. I have chosen this. We are going to create a post to advertise any job, for example. Today here I have opened a website from which we can search jobs. I have searched it here and a lot of jobs appeared here. I gonna pick one. It's opening here. We have all the information we are gonna put in our post, and we are gonna post that on our social media platform, Facebook. Here the text here is grouped. We are going to ungroup it first to move it separately. It has now separated from the upper one. I'm going to click and I'm going to paste it here. I can adjust it as I want to, according to my need and my liking. I'm adjusting it. I have adjusted it just as I liked. This is the unrequired, so I'm gonna delete it. I have deleted it. Here I'm gonna duplicate this text firstly, then I'm gonna edit it. The job position, I have copied it. I'm gonna paste it here. I have selected the area. I'm gonna paste. I have pasted that. I have filled the unnecessary construction worker job. I am gonna copy this text from here and I am gonna paste it here and under the job position. Remove it. I'm gonna remove the unnecessary space. I have removed that. We can also change the color of the text if we want to. From this point it was black, I can change it to orange. Change all. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is, firstly I have to select it, then I have to select the color. Change all. It has changed. If I'm gonna change the color of this text back to black, it has changed the color. I'm going to edit that into salary. Here I have pasted that text. I have copied from here the website. I'm gonna paste this one as well. I have selected that. Now I have pasted it. I have removed the unnecessary things from. I'm going to change the color of this text into yellow, orange, this one. If they have used a frame for this, if we are gonna change, we have to change the frame to construction worker job. I'm gonna search in the elements of construction worker. We can use all these, the photos, the videos, the audios, the graphics. I'm gonna choose a photo. All these we can also upload from other sites or our liking photo. These are all provided by Canva. We can choose any of them. If I choose this one, put in the I am rotating it like this. Now our post is ready. We can download it in MP4 as video and in JPG and PNG. Download. It has been downloaded in my data and we have edited a post today. Thank you for watching and look forward to our new videos. Be blessed and thank you.